Okay, so let's start off with a recap. Okay, so this is a revision topic. Yep, not too difficult actually, but it's always good to have a recap before we embark on our worksheet. Okay, let me see. I quickly check attendance once more. All right, we have Yin Yin today. Hannah and Nikki not here yet, is it? Nikki is here.
Yes.
You raise your hand.
Okay, but I have to tell something about why I have to do well the PSLE. It's not because I want to go to a good school, because I think all schools, I think it's like equally the same. I can't even differentiate what is in a different school. So I want to think about long-term plans, because if I do well for PSLE, then if I continue trying hard in secondary, because maybe next year I will still attend the tutorials. So if I continue studying in secondary, and at least if I do well my O levels and in my future exams, I can actually reach my goals of being successful and all that, which are all my ambitions and all that, which really motivate me to study. And even if I never get all these stuff I grew up, right, I don't want to be regretful saying that the PSLE is such a nonsense. I don't want to say always regretful things. I just wanted to find a way that I can get to this successful thing with another method as hard as I can. Because now, and then studying does not only involve like really putting so much effort, but also require some breaks. Like for example, in between, if you like want to like read a book or at least draw for like 5 to 10 minutes, then can as a break for your brain. Then after that, you can continue studying.
Correct.
Don't make it so long, so that later you leave that off from your studies.
Correct. Good. So yeah, okay. Thank you for sharing, Nikki. I think it is actually very, very good, that he's sharing this. Now, this holiday, June is like a one whole month break, right? But are you going to be revising throughout the whole month? I hope not. Yes, your PSLE is coming, but you know what is called work-life balance, right? Correct. So you need to also ensure you have time to relax, to play. Okay. So make sure, you are planning your schedule well so that you have some time to really relax, but don't relax so much that you get off track. Okay. So Nikki, you're right. Okay. So during your whole planning, some people like to take one whole block of break, right? How come my camera suddenly so bright, then suddenly so dark? Give me a shock. Okay. I got a shock looking at myself because I told you I see everybody, correct or not? So suddenly it brightens up. Now it's turning dark. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyway, I'll adjust it later, not important. Now, so some of you like to have one block of the break. Some of you prefer to have, maybe you study very hard for 6 days and one day is totally no study, just play. That's fine. There are people who prefer to work every day and then after that they take 5 days off, see what works for you. Yeah, okay. No problem, Nikki. You can always share with me again. Yeah, okay, in future, if there's anything else you need to let me know. Yeah, I'm very proud of you, Nikki. You're working hard. And the rest of you as well. Okay, good. So Brian just shared that he saw some improvement in his own work. Yeah, and I'm happy for you, Brian. Continue to work hard. Okay, yeah. So it's possible. So this time around, he said, I'm going to share, okay, Brian, he is doing well for his MCQ. So the school gave him that kind of, not a real assessment, okay, but it's like revision papers, and he scored like 48 out of 56 for his MCQ. Okay, I think if we come in every week and we can share certain results and cheer each other on, you know what I mean? Okay, it's very good. It's very, very good. So he is doing a lot of revision. He has improved now 48 out of 56 for, that means 28 question. He has gotten 20, how many correct? 24 correct, right? You lost 8 marks. Good for you. Try to cut down the number of marks lost. Can, Brian? Okay, waiting for your good news next week also. So let's look at this revision now. Okay, listen very carefully. It will actually tell you, it's like the whole chapter summary, and it's a good recap. You don't have to go and read through again. All right, so we are done with the video. Does it help you? Yep, so it's a good recap, right, for the whole topic. Yeah, wonderful. I enjoy, okay, going through summary. Just now in P5 class, we actually did plant system and we covered P3, P4, and P5 topics also. Okay, we spent a good 45 minutes just doing a big summary. Okay, and then the whole slide was filled with notes. All right, with contribution from all the students. Okay, so today we are going straight into the revision worksheet now. Okay, after watching the video, because there's a video to really go through everything with you. Okay, and I don't want to spend 40 minutes just writing notes, okay, with you. So we want to quickly move into our questions. And when we have more time, I will show you some extra questions we can do together. Okay? Right, let's see if you are able to see my slides. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Good. Okay. Yeah, because sometimes they are seeing different screen, other students, so they will inform me. So this is worksheet 20, talking about human reproduction 1. If they say human reproduction 1, that means there's a human reproduction 2. Correct? So next lesson we'll be doing more, I think, but I also saw the PSLE questions, or shall I say the full revision paper for the mock exam is already ready. They will be sending you info on this, all right? So let me just do something on. Okay. So let's look at the first question. I'm also looking at your responses in my Excel. I exported the answers here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everybody did this. Tommy, you have some blanks here and there, right? So later I will tell you the marks you're scoring and you add everything together. Now, the thing is, good, Brian. So the thing is, everyone, take note later when you add your marks together, you are supposed to calculate all the marks and give me the total before you leave, right? So how do you calculate this? There are 7 MCQ. You already obtained the grade for your 7 MCQ, right? Each MCQ carries 2 marks. So later, as we go through question 8, 9, and 10, the part question, etc., I'll be telling you how much you score, and then you tell me your total. So let's say you score full marks for your MCQ, you have already gotten 14 marks, right? Don't follow the 7 out of 7 in the portal, because we know every MCQ carries 2 points. Yeah, you did not finish some. How? Do you want to type in later quickly so that I can copy over? Okay? Yeah. So Tommy, if you want to type in quickly for your answers, as I'm going through the MCQ, you just put in 8A, what you have, 8B, etc. So let's look at this question now. Which of the following takes place after fertilization occurs in animals? Okay, this answer, you have seen this in the video also. After the fusion of the sperm and the egg, right? The fertilized egg actually starts to multiply, right? So it goes on dividing many times. So answer is actually A. How many of you saw that part in the slides? In the video. Very good. Okay, wonderful. So you're paying attention. Good. So this is A. Now, I don't have to spend too much time on this because certain MCQ questions are so straightforward. Yeah, then we do more for our open-ended. I can do a few more questions if we have time towards the end. Let's try to practice as many questions as possible from now on. Okay, animal P. This is a large flightless bird. Flightless bird means cannot fly. It became extinct in the 18,000, right? We were not born yet at that time. We are not born yet at that time, right? 18,000. Wow. Okay, it was docile in nature. What's docile or docile? What is this word to you? Do you all know this? Don't know. Okay, this means very gentle. Okay, very obedient. You can use this in your composition already. Okay, gentle, obedient, easy to train, very submissive. They don't retaliate, they don't attack. Okay, so very gentle, even though it's a large bird, very colorful. Okay, and laid huge eggs. So which of the following could be the reasons why P became extinct? Is it because it cannot fly? That's why it became extinct? I mean, chickens also cannot fly, but chickens never got extinct, right? Yeah. So it was hunted for its feathers. Do you think so? Yeah. Why were the birds hunted for the feathers? Hold on now. Let me just change the setting, okay? You all cannot unmute, right? Is that right? Let me see. How do I change it? How do I change this thing? Try. Yashika, can you try to unmute, see whether you can?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can unmute now.
I can.
So what's the answer?
Because when it was hunted for its feathers, they can like use it to make like the jackets, you know, like the fur for the jackets. Like yeah.
Maybe right. So it's because the feathers are very colorful. Colorful, of course, you know, it's like they don't have to spend money to go and dye the feathers, etc. Right? So colorful, yes, definitely hunted for its feathers because it's colorful. Okay, so maybe we can write down. Then is docile nature or docile nature made it easy for killing it. It's true, it's so gentle, so obedient. They don't even attack, not like, you know, chickens do attack people. Do you know that? When I try to go and get their chicks, right? I was being attacked by the mother hen. Yes, Brian. Doodoo bird.
It looks like a dodo bird, a bird.
Yeah, the doodoo bird, is it?
We cannot see them now.
You can't see them now. Definitely, they are already extinct. Okay. Yeah. Not too sure about certain stories I heard about the doodoo birds, but the stories made them sound like they are so stupid, right? Have you all heard before something like that? Yeah. So not too sure whether it's true because we didn't exist then at that time to see how they respond to human beings or other predators. Anyway, so yes, this is true. This is true, and this is true, of course. Do you think its eggs were eaten by predators and men? Do you think it's possible? Why? Why do you think it's possible? Any reason that you can think of? Kashika?
Because like the predators might not find any other food source other than like animal pee, so it probably ate its eggs.
Yeah, and how do the eggs look like? Is it tiny little ones? No. Look at this. You see, it's huge egg. Imagine you take one egg, Tommy, you go and make a sunny side up. You need a very big pan, I think. Right now. Yeah.
Thing. If it's so huge, it will actually be a very big omelette, and it's actually so much easier to find the egg.
Correct. It can be seen very easily, very obvious. Some more the heron has colorful feathers. One look, you see, wow, there's a nest there. There's a huge colorful bird there must be eggs.
Look, there's somebody wrote omelette.
I wrote that. Okay, so maybe just one egg can feed all of us, and maybe there are remainder, you know, of this egg mixture also.
That can go to the homeless.
Okay, so it's true because it's huge, right? Easily visible. It can provide a lot of food for a lot of organisms. Yeah, and that's our answer. Good. So let me see. Yeah, there are some of you who got this wrong, but it's okay. It's okay. As long as you understand now why the answer should be this. Okay. Could not fly is not a good reason. You understand not? Because like I gave you the example, chickens also cannot fly, but up to today we have chickens, right? Right now.
Maybe we
nice, yeah.
overhunted this project.
Yeah. Yeah, they overhunted this thing. Must be the colorful feathers, more likely the colorful feathers. Okay.
At first, I know what docile means, so I think it's like, at first I thought I was like thinking that it was like because I don't know what docile means. I think maybe I got it wrong.